It's only up from here, all I can do is win. Devil is alive, but you can feel it when you sin. Keep my family by my side, we closer than some twins. Keep my family by my side, it's all about the biz. It's only up from here.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to be trying out a new recipe, making air fried salmon nuggets. This recipe comes from Cook, Pray, Slay. You can find them on Instagram at Cook, Pray, Slay, and I will also drop their YouTube channel here as well. Before we get into it, I have to shamelessly plug our channel. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so you can always be up to date when we post new videos. Cyrus is going to go and do bath time because it is 7:30 and it's your bath time. And I'm gonna make these salmon nuggets, so stay tuned. So this is my piece of salmon. I've already cleaned it and it's ready to go here. Just got a little piece because I am the only one in the house that eats salmon. Here are the ingredients that we'll be using today. We have our fish fry, our breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, and Old Bay seasoning. In this container here, I've already mixed the the fish fry and the breadcrumbs together so that I can dip those in there once I am done seasoning them with these 3 items here. First thing that I'm gonna do is cut up the salmon into little chunks so that they can become nuggets. Knife. I don't know how y'all were raised, but I just always rinse off my utensils before I use them, so that's what I just did. Okay, now all of our salmon is cut up into little chunks, so now I'm gonna go ahead and season them. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix this together so that the seasoning can get on all sides of the salmon. So this is what it looks like cut up. Now I am going to dip them in the breadcrumb and fish fry mix. Shake, shake, shake. This is the fun part. I want to make sure that they're all covered really good. So if you can see that there. All right, I think they're covered pretty well. Let's open and check. Yep, I'd say that we did good. So now I'm going to pull out my air fryer and put it over here so that we can get it prepared next. So I have the Ninja air fryer and pressure cooker combo machine, appliance thing. I love this thing. It was like almost $300, but it was so worth it. Like, I use this thing to cook so much and I absolutely love it. I will link below what I actually have so that you guys, if you want one, you can get one too. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on here and I'm gonna click air crisp. It says it's already on 390, which I looked at my book to make sure that was right, and that's correct. So we'll leave it at 390, and we will go ahead and get it started to preheat first. So while this is preheating, I'm gonna let it preheat for about 3 minutes. I'm gonna start cleaning up the mess that I've already made. One thing that my dad always taught me is to clean as you go when you're cooking, so at the end you don't have a big mess to clean up. So I'm gonna start right now. Okay, so our 3 minutes are up now, so we're gonna stop this and open it. Voila. And I'm going to spray the inside of the air fryer basket with some Crisco. That way it doesn't stick. And now we will add our salmon nuggets inside. Look who came to see mommy after bath time. Hi, boo boo. What is that face? He's gonna wrap his head up. Now you look like mommy do when she get out the bath. Oh yeah. Oh, you don't like it? It's too much. He looks crazy. Okay, so the first 5 minutes are done. Now I'm gonna just open this and flip all of the little salmon nuggets over. I'll let you guys see what it looks like right now. There. This I'm only gonna do it for 4 minutes. Be back. Okay, so this is my end result here. I did ketchup with mine because I'm not a really big mayo fan. All right, let's see how we did. Which one am I gonna choose? This one. It's a little hot. Oh my God, yeah, this is so good. This is so good. Y'all gotta try this recipe. It's foolproof. It's so good. Okay, so I'll link everything down below for you. Again, I got this recipe from my friend Cook Pray Slay. She is on Instagram as Cook Pray Slay. She also has a website that has a lot more recipes that you can choose from to try and cook, because they're all the bomb. And the website is also Cook Pray Slay. And she also has a YouTube channel, so I'll make sure I'll link that in this video as well, so you can check her out. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.